Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but the viral stuff literally everywhere changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup, I was completely sold. It is a complete game changer because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need it in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but